Good morning, everyone. Today is May 18, 2022. We do the stock overview from Omaha, Nebraska, USA. And good morning, all the traders again. So we can tell on the screen is the Dow Jones kind of lost a little bit. So it's lost like 200, 30 some, 40 some last night. And now it's 32,457 points right now. So compare the change in a week to kind of getting back a little 500 points some. So we got 1 month, so lost like 2,000 points, 50 some point. But anyway, it's a market that swing. So we can tell all the we call the stock leader or tech stock. So Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, every of them is getting up really pretty good. Even though like Google, AMD, BRKB, and especially all the oil families getting up. Yesterday's oil went like sink a little bit, but anyways, the oil stock is getting up. So we can tell that oil is very green. So just only those consumers, VWMT, there was kind of like little swing down. So, but the most of them is all up. And this morning it's start swing down a little bit. So let's say in the S&P 500 when it closes this about 2.02%, and Dow Jones is close like over 1.34%, and Nasdaq 100 close like 2.62%, and the stock on Tuesday is the highest one in the week. So you can read by yourselves. It continue on that. That's in like especially like China is you got bad infection from the coronavirus. So and especially right now the oil of 2.1%, and be prepared for today. Whatever the oil up is, stop down. This is a US dollar. It's kind of in like in small going down. Small side up the down size. So especially gold is went down. It stayed close to $1,814, $15 around that area. It used to be over $2,000, and that's really pretty scary price. So, and BTC is going up later, and this was 28. That's mean under 30K. And we can tell those Bitcoin moving a lot in this week. It's not that easy to hang around with, especially Bitcoin. BTC right now is $29,770. And the key event global stock is Dow on Wednesday. Strong. It's really strong. So the Federal Reserve is, the Federal Reserve is that's been something is that can help the stock market and stop the inflation. And that's more like, think about that's like about like water you add more on the tree. They kind of help the economy is stable. The economy kind of is much a little stronger. I mean, much stronger, not a little stronger. Little stronger is like a few days ago, but like now it's much stronger. And we can tell is those Dow Jones yesterday, S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, Nasdaq, and Composite. So all of them gained off yesterday, and they start to swing down today. I don't know, like it's going to be exactly based on the oil. Yeah, because if the oil's getting up so much, then the stock 100% is going down. But anyway, if the oil's kind of stay there and move and drop back down a little bit, and of course the stock is keep going, because like oil right now is like the gas, fuel, those all the energy just affect a lot of stuff. So the first stock we're going to take a look today is NVST, micro-rest. Though micro-rest is really, especially micro-rest is right now it's pretty good deal, and last month it's over $5, and right now we can buy around $4 down to around 3.8, so 3.7, 3.6. So even though 3.5, be prepared for that. And the highest one is $15, and right now is $2.90 something. It's like, let's say $3, the lowest one. And one day they can move around 3.78 to 4.3, 4.5, around that area. And be prepared for, when you get the profit, sell them right away every 10 or 20 cents, even though 5 cents. Just be safe. Keep your money stable. You don't want to lose anything. Just be prepared for all the selling part. And especially is some big ones like AMC this morning is look pretty good. It's already over $13. So, and the big one like Tesla kind of dropped back a little bit for us. I mean, $746. And we come back with that company in here, and that's $1 billion company, and it's 1.2, and the earning is look a little bit better than the Q4 of 2021. It looked pretty good. So now is the next stock is AMRS. AMRS is AMRS. So AMRS it looked pretty good. It's lower than like last month. It's $2, and right now it's just like 2.4, and we can buy like 2.4, 2.3, 2.2, 2.1, even though $2. So when we have it, the profits every 10 cents or 20 cents, and we go ahead and sell it right away in order to make pretty good money. So don't hold the stock today. Today is not the safe day to hold them though. So as highest one is 17.42. Lowest one is 1.47. So the cap is around $850 million. So one day it can move around 2.3 to 2.6. You know this kind of stock every 5 cents you set up an order to sell. Thank you very much and have a good day. So, and today we can focus on Tesla. I saw Tesla sectors under the sectors look pretty good. So I mean, good moving, make pretty good money.